2nd. These are cornelian cherry dogwood trees, and they're just now blooming. I have one little tiny forsythia in the back, and it's just starting to bloom. That maple tree's blooming pretty heavily, and then this one's just in the bud phase. It's crazy, they're so close to each other, about the same age. They just bloom at different times. This one over here is on the east, and that's on the west. Hive 1, look at that, wow. So they've made that wider and filled it. I'm seeing full-size drones in here. Oh man, I haven't checked these girls yet. I'm a bit nervous of finding swarm cells. Oh yeah, there's another full-size drone just walking around. Wings look good. I don't see any mites on the top of his body. I think we got these cleaned up pretty well, but we will check with that next bottom board clean out. Oh man, I'll have to take a day off of work this week. Catch a warm day to go through all these hives. All right, hive 1. I was seeing drones walking around, so I'm a bit concerned of how far along they may be for this time of year. This will be my first inspection. It is March 2nd, Sunday. It's about 59 degrees. It's a little colder than I'd like to be in here. 70s last week, but yeah, I'm gonna see a drone. 2, 3, 4. I see tons of drones in here. There's tons and tons of drones. So I am going to just leave this on. I'm gonna crack it in the middle and look in the middle, see if we got queen cells or boxes. This is probably gonna be hard to open with all that comb in the middle. Maybe, maybe not. Let's see. Hey, that's not bad. It's not very heavy though. Before I set that down, let's take a look. Oh, that's honey. I do not see queen cells though. Yikes, that's completely ripped open. Yeah, no queen cells. Lots of stored honey still. I think I'm going to keep this on end. Yeah, I probably should put this down first. Out of practice. God, my bees are so calm. So that top was completely covered and the bottom is completely covered. This is insane. I don't have my phone on me. I need to get a picture of that. I think we're gonna have to. So I just want to show this. This was my brood minder. Right there you can see, I'm not sure if you can see that or not. It's a wax moth larvae. They kind of get underneath these, but wow, I need to get a nice photo of that. It just seems early in the year for them to be building up this quickly. I would like to pull a few frames out of here just to see the broods in here or up there. That's pretty light though. I wonder if I could just rotate these. I see some drone brood. Yeah, some drone brood between the frames here. Is there any mites on that? I do not see any. Okay. Let's see if we can get a couple of these frames out. So that's honey. I'm guessing, if anything, it's over here. There's just a lot of bees in this box. I still move pretty slow. I probably need to learn to move quicker. It's only about 60 degrees out here. I don't want to chill these girls. I'm guessing there's brood here because there was brood on that piece right there. So I'll go ahead and use my firm grip, see if I can pull this thing straight out. Just try and drive them down enough I don't roll anybody, crush anybody. Oh my gosh. Alright, so this frame is insulated and that's the brood pattern. March 2nd. Holy mackerel. It's pretty good. So it's loaded up too. Some brand new baby bees coming out. I'm gonna take just a couple more. So the top one was light, but if they're all on the bottom here, I think rotating is gonna do much here. Got brood, pollen, nectar, drones. Smashed a couple on the end. It's all pollen. Open brood. And I've got eggs in this area. So we would be looking for a green dot queen. Oh my gosh. I may end up putting a super on this hive. I really didn't anticipate seeing this much brood. Hopefully I can show you what I was seeing, or I thought I was seeing. Yep. It's all cat brood. Adult drones walking around. All that cat brood. That pollen. Yep, young larvae here. This would be on the south side. Let's look at the next one. It's mostly honey. Lots of pollen. Cat brood over here. Seen eggs in most of these cells. Pollen, cat brood. I'm going to check one more since I saw eggs in that, just to see if we've got her over here. Oh, it's all pollen. She very likely would not be over here. See some nectar in there though. See some open cells, but